tomorrow, and right now, yeah, they're always shouting. Like, what is with these people? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So don't look at the background, it's messed up. I'm cleaning stuff. Okay, so today I decided to do a vlog style of video because I don't do vlogs, but people say it's good to do vlogs. Your audience kind of connects with you. They like to see you raw and fresh, you know, in your less than perfect life. And yeah, this is my less than perfect life, you can see. Okay, so I was actually thinking of doing a how should I say this? I was actually planning to do a mini haul slash what I do in a day, how my day goes, and a decluttering and deorganizing video. But this deorganizing, decluttering video that I shot right now, it actually is pretty long, so I have to keep it like a separate video. So this video will only be about the deorganizing and decluttering, the what I do in a day, plus a mini haul in there and all that jazz. You know, more like behind the scenes for the channel. That will be in a separate video, and that is going to be a different thing, and that I am going to shoot tomorrow actually, because probably tomorrow or maybe Monday I'll get all of the things that I want to share in the haul. So yeah, like this is the complete thing minus the skincare that I use, that is kept on the top of this cupboard. I haven't talked about it. I'll talk about it in the next video. If you want, we can talk about it in the next video. Okay, so yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Right now it's 4 in the afternoon. I literally, you know, I have done my lunch, I've done every important work that I had to do, and I was just free, right? And it took me half an hour to organize this, more than half an hour actually, 40 minutes approximately to organize everything. And now I have to do a few more things like ghar ke kaam, right? So yeah, my mom is, if you don't know this already, my mom is a working woman, so she's not home yet, and she'll be late, so everything that needs to be done in her absence, I have to do that. I'll be doing that right now. And yeah, okay, yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, let's go. This is where it is. I have my tripod there because I have to show you the inside, so I literally kept it there. And this is the cupboard that I keep all my stuff in. This is all my skincare section, right? And this is not just mine, this is my sister's as well. So most of the stuff that is literally over here kept like this is hers. Mine is there tucked in properly. So yeah, this cupboard actually belongs to my grandmother, right? And I honestly feel like this is quite a sturdy, like a good one. Like it has, let me show you, it has 2 compartments inside. It is a full-blown, you know, thing on the top, and I think it is quite a good cupboard. And there's literally no way I'm going to get rid of this. Like nobody in my family will, because come on, it has sentimental values and it's antique. So let me put my phone in there for you to see. So these are the 2 compartments, number 1, number 2, that we have to clean. This contains literally all the things that I need for, you know, shooting, doing makeup and everything. So yeah, this is that. I am sitting over here on the floor, right? So this down in here, that's the most of makeup, and we have to clean that. Now usually I clean everything in between shoots, if you will. Yeah, in between shoots I clear out stuff, but I haven't done it this time, so I'll do it on camera right now in front of you. So this is the first box, and you know, kind of like a box. Yeah, this has all the miscellaneous things like a straightener, wet wipes, cotton pads, trimmers and everything. And oh my god, yeah, I found my clutcher. I was really finding it for a few days and got it now. Let me pull my hair back now. And all of these things, so anything that does not fit in a specific category goes in here. I keep it over here. So this is pretty much already organized, so let's keep it aside. Second box is this. This is a Zara box. I had a dress in it, right? But the box is like, it's a good box. I can keep a lot of things in here, so I kept it. And it has all of my eyelashes. Like you can see this Nika key lash over here. Can you see it? Yeah. And all of these eyelashes that I use, and also it has fake nails. So any fake nails that I use, I keep it over here. That is pretty much how I keep my nails and lashes, and has a lash glue as well. So yeah, anything related to lashes and nails actually go in this box, and you can just close it, keep it there. These two are well organized because I don't keep much stuff in here, so yeah. Next up is this box. This is, as you can see, from Innisfree, and the reason I have this box is because I think it is a good box. Like, it is a good sturdy box, so I keep it, right? And it has, now this box is basically everything that I got recently or anything that I haven't used yet. Like, this is my, how to say this is more like oh wait a sec. Okay, hi. Yeah, what I was speaking is, this is the box where I keep all of the things that I have still to use, like a first impression kind of thing. I have already used this Mintu 2B palette, so yeah, this is not in first impression. I'll keep it somewhere else. I have used this color board as well. I've done the green look, I have done the lilac look, already used it, so obviously this is not a first impression. We'll look about that as well. And yeah, all of these things I haven't used yet. Also, I got this Swiss Beauty concealer recently, I mean like just today, so I have to do a first impression on this, so I'll keep it over here. This box is organized mainly, so yeah, we'll keep it aside. Yep. Next up is the one that we actually need to organize. Yeah, we need to organize this one. This is my base makeup one. This is the one that gets how did I say? This is the one that gets messed up the most, because this has the stuff that constantly comes and goes out. Like, when I'm shooting, I just keep it right by my side. I pick up stuff, I put it back, and it kind of just gets messed up. So that is that. So yeah, let's just organize it. I have this kind of holder where I keep all of my you know, anything that can go inside, concealers mostly, right? I got this new Mars ka blender. I've still kept in the packaging, I don't know why. And yeah, I'll just keep it over here. I'll throw it the other time I use it. So yeah, this is done mostly. It won't close now. This is why I hate to keep everything in the standing up position. Then it just won't close. Yeah, I just wanted to stay like this so that I can put something over it like this, right? Because when you keep things in the cupboard, you have to stack up. We have this is my eyeshadow corner, but this is more like the mini eyeshadow palettes. Everything that can fit in here, mostly the mini ones like Nika K and all these SFR color K. It is very much organized, as I can see. Just like this. Yeah. So there's nothing to really set up in here, but I can show you, like, these are the palettes, the smaller ones, the single ones, the tiny ones. So also there's another eyeshadow box. The only thing that I have in bulk is eyeshadow, and these are the another ones. Now these are all my bigger palettes, plus this eyelash ka dabba. I don't really get any space to keep it. I don't know, I've kept this. I don't use it, but I'm not throwing it either because I might need it. I'll just keep it. So yeah, anything that doesn't fit in this box has to go there. So these are two color pop palettes. I'll keep it in here. This one will go here. Yeah, this is another palette from Maybelline, Lemonade. Okay, it has a bug. See, this is, where did it go? It flew off. This is a palette from Maybelline. I don't like it. There was a bug in it. Is it okay to use? I don't know. I'll just keep it. I have to fit this color board in here. Oh, it actually did. I was just, this actually has to be a little more organized, like this, more space efficient maybe. Yeah. these are all my bigger palettes, right? This is the Beauty Bay ka EYN wala. This is Revolution into Patricia Brights. This is Life's a Drag palette, Gorgeous Me. And then there is this Huda Beauty ka glitter. I don't use it at all. Like, I really need to get rid of a few things that I don't use. Like, I get this aside, and there is another box in here. These are some shaving foams that I have. I keep shaving foams, you know, I shave for keep. And this is the last box. This is the Jeffree Star mystery box that I got this year. I've kept the box. I really like the box, and it also has the lip scrub over here. Really fond of this box, so I've literally kept it. We'll keep it. We are not throwing it away. And this is my skincare box. So, you know, everything that has skincare to it, that's in this box. Just put everything back so that it's organized and in place. Okay, so that's the second rack in there, completely organized now. Okay, yeah, although bahar se utna pata nahi lag raha, but andar se bahut saaf hai. And now this is the first rack. Now the first rack has a mirror, brushes, eyeliners, lipsticks, and this is my jewelry box. So yeah, big task for us again. Let's do this. This is the box, more like a pencil, not pencil stand, an organizer where I keep all of my eye makeup things. So yeah, that's pencils in there, eyebrow stuff, right, eyeliner, and anything that falls in this category actually stays in this box, right? It is organized very much. So yeah. Next up is this brush set. I have to wash the brushes. I'll do it tomorrow probably, not today. I don't have time now, so I'll do this tomorrow. This has to be washed and keep it aside. Next up is another organizer. Now this is the lipstick box, right? And these are the lipsticks that I use on a daily basis. Not all the lipsticks. I have some funky colors in another box, so all of the ones that I don't use, they are kept separately. I don't mix things so that I can know what I need to use, right? Otherwise it's just a big clutter and you are just confused all the time. So these are all the lipsticks. These are very well organized. I just organized them recently, all of them. So yeah, it's done. Now comes the worst part of it, and it has to be the last thing actually. So this is the jewelry wala portion, and it's messed up, as I said. Yeah. So this is the box. See this is how it is. So this is the box. Can you see it? I don't know. Like, I'm not sure what camera is picking at this point. Because, so this is the box. This is a box of paperboard juice. This box is the one that contains all my necklaces. Now, I keep everything differently, separately. So earrings go at one place. Necklaces go separately. This is the earrings portion. All my earrings are in here. Not all. Most of them, the funky ones mostly, that is in here. And yeah. Another one is this. These are more earrings. Just kept in the box. You know, the smaller ones. These are the ones that I got from Jules Galaxy in a haul that I did in January. So this just stays in this box. These are two separate boxes from Sugar, and I keep my rings. And this one has a few bracelets that I wear that I don't wear too often, but I just have them in these boxes. And this one contains all my silver / ethnic kind of jewelry. So yeah, I just keep everything separately. That is what I do. This is all of my minimal type of jewelry, mostly that I wear all the time. So I keep it here. Yeah. This is done. Let me just keep it back. Let's put everything back now, right? First lipstick, because I don't use them often. Then eyeliners, I use them much more than often. There goes my brushes, I'll have to wash them. There goes the mirror. And see, we are done. This is decluttered and good to go. Oh, hi guys, I am tired now. I need to take a nap. It's literally 4 in the afternoon and I'm feeling very sleepy. I want to sleep, but I don't have time to sleep. I have work to do. Guys, I'll do a lot more things that I need to do. And yep, bye. I'll meet you in the next vlog. Okay, bye.